US magazine Rolling Stone included Netflix's Korean series Squid Game on its The 100 Greatest TV Shows of All Time list. According to Rolling Stone, Squid Game ranked number 95, making it the newest and the only non-English show on the list. The magazine said, Squid Game is emblematic of the way the streaming era has broken down content borders, adding it's a gripping thriller, a ruthless socioeconomic satire, and a great showcase for actors like Emmy winner Lee Jung-jae. Rolling Stone announced a new list of the 100 greatest TV shows after consulting with actors, drama creators, and critics. Blackpink's title song Shut Down debuted on the US Billboard's Hot 100 main singles chart at number 25. According to Billboard, the group topped this week's Global 200 chart and came in third on the global excluding US chart with the song. Pink Venom came in second on the two latest global charts. Both Shut Down and Pink Venom are from the group's second full-length album, Born Pink. The album became the act's first number one on the Billboard 200 main albums chart for the week and also debuted atop Britain's official albums chart top 100, making Blackpink the only female Asian act ever to simultaneously top the British and US Billboard charts. Mamamoo will return as a full group with its 12th EP titled Mic On next month. According to the group's agency RBW Entertainment, the new EP will hit various music services at 6 p.m. on October 11th. It added that the title Mic On means Mamamoo has come back to the scene with a mic on. It will be the group's first release involving all four members since the compilation album I Say Mamamoo The Best was released last September to mark the 7th anniversary of its debut. The southern port city of Busan will light up in purple lights, the signature color of BTS, before and after its one-day concert next month. According to Hype, it will host a city project to celebrate the group's yet to come in Busan, a free concert set for October 15th to support the city's bid to host World Expo 2030. The city project is for offering various entertainment events such as photo zones, after parties, and fireworks shows related to BTS in a city where its concert is held before and after the show. The city in Busan will begin with an exhibition showcasing the group's 9-year history at Haeundae LCT, followed by merchandise stores at Busan's Lotte Department Store and Seoul's Lotte World Mall.